Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're just going to get straight into the video. We're making some baked ziti today. Now for this you're going to need 4 sweet Italian sausage links. You're going to need half a pound of ground beef, some marinara sauce, some Parmesan cheese. You're going to need mozzarella cheese, and you're going to need a little bit of cheddar cheese. In a big pot with salted water, you're going to add your pasta and you're going to cook it according to the directions on the back of the box. I think it says 10 minutes. I only cooked mine for 8 minutes. Now, I didn't want to go past 8 minutes because if you do, it's going to be soft, too soft. Now, I like to rinse mine under cold water just to stop the pasta from cooking. Now, in a frying pan, you're going to saute or sweat down some onions. Chop up the onions anyhow you feel like it. If you want it big, chunky pieces or small pieces, you can do that as well. And I sauteed mine in about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Only 2 tablespoons. All right, then you want to add your ground beef and your sausage, and you want to cook it until it's nice and brown. Now for the sauce. You can use your favorite store-bought sauce or you can make your own sauce. It's up to you. And I added 1 tablespoon of white sugar. That's just to balance out the acidity of my marinara sauce. I added some Italian seasonings and some black pepper as well. And I covered it and allowed it to come up to a boil for about 10 minutes. Next up, make sure you drain your ground beef and sausage. Get it out the oil and add it to your sauce. Give it a good stir, and you're going to cover this people for another 30 minutes or so. You know, because you just want everything to be nice and incorporated. You want all the flavors to come together. And I don't know, it's easy bad. All right, next up, the easy part. All the hard part is over. So you're just going to mix everything together. Just dump everything into your little pot and just give it a good mix. Add your cheese, add your pasta, add your sauce. Just go ahead and just mix everything together. Now, the cheddar that I'm using is optional. You don't have to use cheddar cheese. I added a little bit of parsley, about a teaspoon. Some people use ricotta cheese in their baked ziti. I didn't want to do that for this recipe. Now you're going to bake your pasta for 30 minutes, 350 degrees. And honey, it's going to be delicious. Now, before you bake it, you can add some more cheese if you want. Okay, cheese it up, it's yours. Add more Parmesan, add more mozzarella. It's all up to you. All right, as I said before, you're going to bake this 350 degrees for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, honey buns, this is what you have. A nice, delicious meal. Now, this thing, it's even delicious, more delicious the next day. Trust me. Serve this with some garlic bread. Now also guys, you can serve this for parties. You can make a nice big large batch and serve it. If you're a busy mom, this is perfect for you. You can make it ahead of time and serve it to your family. Alright guys, that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this baked ziti honey. It is quick and easy. And leave your comments below and tell me how you like it. And I will talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. I'm out.